Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can download and find your invoice here on Amazon. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Amazon.com, and then you just have to log into your account. So take note that if you haven't ordered anything yet from Amazon, so of course you cannot find your invoice and your order history. But just to show you, just have to make sure that you have logged into your account and then click on your account and list option right here and then tap on it. And then you'd be directed to the sections where you can find these options. So all you have to do is to look for your orders. So here you can track, return, cancel an order, or download invoice or buy again. So once you have your ready purchase items from Amazon, so you just have to tap on this one and you'll be able to see the option where you can tap on the download invoice. So after that, you just have to wait and save it in your computer. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.